Today, we're taking a closer look at the Everlance app and how it performs in 2025. Everlance is designed to help freelancers, independent contractors, gig workers, and small business owners track their mileage and expenses automatically. It's especially useful if you drive for work or need to keep organized records for taxes or reimbursements. When you open the app, it starts tracking your trips using GPS. You don't have to do anything manually. It logs the start and stop, locations, distance, and time. You simply swipe left or right to mark each trip as business or personal. This makes tracking your mileage for tax deductions super easy and saves time. Everlance also helps you track expenses. You can connect your bank account or credit card, and the app will pull in your transactions automatically. From there, you can tag each expense as business or personal and even upload a photo of a receipt for proof. This makes it easy to keep all your tax-deductible expenses in one place. If you're someone who needs mileage reports for tax filing or employer reimbursement, Everlance generates IRS-compliant reports with just a few taps. The reports are detailed and well-organized, showing your mileage, trips, and related costs. This feature is a huge time saver at the end of the year. The free version of the app gives you limited automatic trip tracking and basic features. If you want unlimited automatic tracking, detailed reports, and other advanced tools, you'll need to upgrade to the premium version. It's a paid subscription, but many users find it worth the cost because of how much time and money it saves. Overall, Everlance is a great tool if you want an easy and efficient way to track your work-related driving and expenses. It's accurate, user-friendly, and built with self-employed professionals in mind. If you're a delivery driver, contractor, business owner, or anyone who wants to stay organized and get the most out of your tax deductions, Everlance is definitely worth trying out.